In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge Chromebook without a charger. Now, while it is possible for you to do this is going to depend on some circumstances. The most common way by far of charging any Chromebook model, if you don't have access to its charger anymore, is by using a standard USB cable. So the bare minimum that you will need is going to be a USB-C cable. This is usually USB-C to USB-C, but USB-A to USB-C should also work. So if you have a USB-A cable, that should also be okay. But one of the ends of that cable must be plugged into the Chromebook. So keep that in mind. That is primarily going to be USB-C, like I said before. All that you have to do now is try to find either a phone charger, a power bank, or a valid power source. So now plug one end of the cable into the Chromebook and the other one goes into any of these options. You can use a USB-C wall adapter, just like the one that you use with your phone. You can use a portable power bank or any other valid power source. As an emergency, your smartphone charger should do. Even though the wattage is going to be much less than what is needed by the Chromebook, it can charge very slowly, so on a pinch it will do. Besides these options and besides using the USB cable, it is basically impossible. So like I said in the beginning of the video, it depends on which tools you have available around you, but the bare minimum is going to be a USB cable. You will plug it into a valid power source and it should begin charging. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.